If you are looking for explosive returns in the market, there is one thing which can allow you to do that, and that is date young stocks, date young setups, date young momentum. Madonna is 63-year-old. What is the age of her boyfriend? 26-year-old. Your average famous trader or a hedge fund manager will be 57 to 60-year-old. What will be the age of his girlfriend? 26-year-old, 27, 30-year-old? Or his wife will be 30, 32-year-old. Why do you think these people like Madonna and this hedge fund manager date young people? There is a reason. Young people have more vitality. Exactly same thing happens in the stock market. Young stocks have more vitality. If you are looking for stock which is likely to make explosive big move, focus on stocks which are IPO'd in less than 10 years. New leadership, new things are going to come from those stocks, not some old fuddy-duddy stocks like Ford Motors and General Motors. If you're dating constantly those kind of things, then you're not going to find big movers. Second, always look for young setups. That means whenever you're looking for setups, look for the first setup at the start of a move. Look for the second setup. Third, fourth, fifth setup is when you get excited about a stock. That means you don't understand the principle of dating young people. As any trend ages or a stock ages in terms of like how far it is going, more and more it becomes vulnerable to a failure. So if you want to improve your rate of success in momentum stocks or in buying breakouts or buying anticipation or buying pullback, look for the first pullback, or look for the first breakout, or look for the second breakout, third at best. But when you start going into fourth, fifth, sixth, you start dating very old people. The next thing which you need to understand is momentum is good to focus on, but if you are going to trade momentum based stocks, again the trick in making money in momentum based stock is to find young momentum. Young momentum is a stock which has started going into a momentum phase in the last 30 days or 40 days, not a stock which has been in momentum phase for 1 year, 2 years. That kind of a stock is due for a reversal or a correction. So if you want to make money and you want to make big explosive money in the stock market, stop dating old stocks, stop dating old setups, stop dating extended momentums, start looking for young stocks, start looking for stocks which are IPO'd in less than 10 years, start looking for stocks which have young momentum, they just entered momentum phase, start looking for the setup where the stock has just started moving, first breakout, second breakout, third breakout. Those are where you'll find more explosive moves. And if you can do this, then your love life and your bank balance both will go up because you're always looking for the young thing which has more vitality.